Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Testing Gyan. In our today's video, we are going to learn about the basic Java program and the structure of that program. So let us start. So in order to start with this, I am first going to launch my Eclipse IDE. So as you can see, it is launched. Now I have to specify my workspace. So I will select my workspace and then I will click on launch. Once it is launched, then I will create my Java project and then we will start with writing the basic Java program. So as you can see, my workspace is launched. Now I'm going to click on create a new Java project. I'm giving the name of my Java project as Java Basics. Now this second checkbox is there for the selecting the default location. So currently my project will be stored in my workspace location. In case you want some other location, uncheck this checkbox and browse to that particular location. Okay. Then you have to select your default JRE or some any specific version of JRE if you want. You have to select that. I'm selecting the default as per my system. Okay, then I'm saying finish. So it will ask for the module info. I don't want to create any module info, so I will say don't create it. Now you can see my project is launched. So in Eclipse we are having mainly two major sections. One is the navigator section or package explorer, where I will be exploring my project, all the files folders of my project. And then this middle section is my editor section, where I will be writing my code. Outline basically represents the outline of my program. This is not a mandatory section, you can ignore it. Okay. So before I start writing my program, first I have to understand what is the basic structure, in what structure I have to write my start making my project. So under my src folder, my first thing which I will create is package. So package is nothing, it's a group of related classes or relevant classes. So I will say basic Java in package name programs. If you want to create some package info, you can check this checkbox, else you can ignore it, it's not a mandatory. Okay, you can see my package is created. So now I have to create my class. So class is basically where you are going to write your code. Okay, so we will discuss more in detail what are classes, methods, everything. But for now, you just concentrate on the uh, high level picture, how to write a basic program. So once you click on create class, it will give you this prompt where you have to write your class name. I'm giving my class name as add two numbers. The naming convention for class is in Pascal syntax, where first alphabet of any word will be in capitals, others will be in small. Then I want to include my main method. Yes, I will check on this checkbox and finish. So you can see my class is created. Okay. So package, public, class, these are the different keywords in Java. So package is representing the package, is my package name is basic Java program. Public is basically an access modifier which specifies the access of this particular class. Class is representing the class, that this add two numbers is a class. And then this is the method in Java, this is the main method. So main method in Java is the method. It's a very important method, and we are going to discuss in very detail this method in our coming videos. So this method is the one from where your program execution starts. So if you're writing any Java method within your class, you have to call that method within your main method, because this is the location where your execution will start of the program. Okay. And this double slash basically represents the comments in Java. Okay, so this line is commented out, and when you are going to run this program, this will not be printed in the console. Okay, so now let us write a simple program to add two numbers. Int a equals to 10, int b equals to 20. Okay, then int sum equals to a plus. So int is basically the data type which is representing the variables are integer type. Okay, now I'm going to print the output of my sum. So it says sum is sum. Okay, so now if I'm going to save this program and then I'm going to run it. you will see the output, it is highlighting as sum equals to 30. So guys, this is it. This is how we write a basic Java program in Eclipse IDE. So I want you to practice a basic mathematical operation so that you are also practicing with us. Let us know in the comments section if you are facing any problem. Thank you for watching this video.